Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to add Google reviews on Wix website. Firstly, open your browser and go to elfsite.com. Look for the Widgets section and navigation menu. Click on it to explore the available widgets. Just scroll down through the widget list until you locate the Google Reviews widget and click it to proceed. Now, a new window will appear. Just click on the Create Widget button and select a template that fits your Wix website style. Available templates include carousel, badge, list, etc. Click on the template you want to use and after selecting one, preview the widget and click Continue with the template to move forward. Elfsite will ask you for business name and your goal for Google reviews. Just type in your business name and click search. After searching, Elfsite will display your business address. Click it to confirm and Elfsite will load your Google reviews in a preview window. You can customize in reviews, change layouts and add custom reviews. Just click Save and Embed at the top and copy the embedded code provided. Now, log into your Wix dashboard and open the editor to go to the page where you want to display reviews. Click Add Plus, Embed, then embed a widget. Pass the Elfsite embedded code into the HTML box and click Apply to save changes. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.